Hey everybody, Jake from Barnstorm, bringing you a motor mount repair update video. This video just documents the remachining process, machining down all the welded material we added to OEM specifications, and then we will re-drill the mounting holes and add the counter bores so that when it gets bolted back into the bike, clamp load is correct and alignment is correct. Then the very last steps are to weld in the additional gussets to add additional strength to the case and touch up the paint. So that encapsulates the entire process of the repair. Thanks very much for watching. We appreciate it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can be aware of additional content as we produce it. Thanks again.